have seen the previously video where I made the chili. What goes better than chili than with cornbread? Even though I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that type of person that automatically thinks cornbread and chili. I kind of just want chili, or maybe over a baked potato. Baked potatoes always my downfall. Anywhoosies, so we're gonna start off with, okay, before we start off, you can easily make this cornbread gluten-free by using gluten-free all-purpose flour. It works perfectly with it. So feel free to use that. I'm using regular flour, and you can substitute it the same amount, and this is 1 cup and a cup and 1/4. 1 cup and 1/4. And I'm looking at my recipe. This is me, as usual, putting together, trying out a few research recipes. On this one, I tried out actually gluten-free first. So this is actually my first time trying it with the regular flour. And for the cornmeal, we're going to want 3/4, 1/4, and this will make 12 corn muffins. And I'm a messy kid. So don't mind me. Voila! This little thing of cornmeal, I think I showed dollars from change in my little shopping video, grocery shopping video. Goes a long way. And we need baking powder. And so first we're gonna mix all our dry ingredients. So that's what I'm doing. A tablespoon of baking powder. I think I do 2 cups. What are we doing? I'm using my sugar in the raw. I said 2 cups of sugar. I know I'm losing half a cup of sugar. I'm not even about to look. Normal people will have all their measuring things ready. They crystallized. So this is 1/4. Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. And that's enough sugar. Oh, we're actually gonna do. Oh, wait till that later. A little bit of salt. Where is the salt? Usually, sea salt will be better, but we're gonna do a teaspoon. So make it rain on it. And basically, we're gonna mix that up before we go to our wet ingredients, and our wet ingredients will be flaxseed, egg, and let's see if I can, no, I'm not going to be able to talk. So if you can see, okay, you can't see, turn it down light. Okay, let's just, look at all that mess. But, so basically what I did and what I usually did whenever I'm using flaxseed in place of egg for a bakery dish or any type of dish, or like for breading or type of things, they have like a set ratio. I take as many smashed flaxseed as I think, put it with some warm water, and just stir it around, and it'll get this texture. Sometimes I need to heat it up in a microwave for just a little bit, and you see if you guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see the consistency, but it is like some eggs, basically. Yeah. And then I run it through a cheesecloth. I have a cheesecloth. I didn't have it secured like I was supposed to, so a little bit of flaxseed in there. Flaxseed never hurt anybody. If anything, it helps somebody. And I actually am going to want to warm up this coconut oil. The coconut oil is going to give us that lovely buttery taste. And this is refined, but you have some. This one isn't like a strong flavor, which you don't want anything that's going to be have a overpowering coconut flavor. All right, so this is basically good. Just mixing it up, mixing up all our dry ingredients. Now it's time to add to the wet ingredients. Put in our flaxseed ad, and so what you want is about 2 flaxseed ads, and if you're not doing a vegan one, then you will definitely want, what is it? You can use 2 regular eggs, a half, 3/4 cup of, and I'm using almond coconut milk because this is one of my favorite plant-based milks. I like almond milk. I like coconut, but coconut milk by itself, it's not really my thing. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to want to heat this up some. So I'm a messy person, as you can see. My maple syrup is definitely messy. We're going to do 2 tablespoons. That's my mom in the background. I'm making her eat vegan today. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you're not vegan or are vegan but okay with honey, use honey as well. You can use substitute honey. When I make vegan dishes, I just usually stick with maple syrup because most vegans, you know, don't want it the same. Honey. All right. Now, I heated up the.
So, go ahead and put that coconut oil in. I'm just going to hold this real quick. Use your love to make a mess. I do. I'm going to mix this up very well. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to taste it yet. I'll add in a little more milk. And I know with baking, it's all about, that's why I always tell people, what I do enjoy to bake, I'm just not a baker because, a cook, I like to add as you go. With baker, it's got precision and all that, but watch this now. It's still going to come out fast. There we go. That's the texture I want. Nice and smooth and beautiful. When I dip my hands in it so good and taste it, but I'm not. Get my cream. That's yummy. That is yummy. You know what they say? By using the cornmeal, cornmeal from scratch, you gotta get like breakfast or something. You definitely taste the corn. It's more brown, but other than that, it's
Delicious. You get that nice, rich, buttery flavor. Nice, sweet flavor. And that's perfect. You don't need to over mix that. So now, we just need to form the muffin tins. And you can, I'm doing muffin tins. You could probably do a regular like 9 by 12. So I forgot to show up before I put them in, but they're not over, you guys. I was just too happy and licking my fingers away. But they're in there. 17 minutes. messy and everything else. But look at this chili. This is Wendy's inspired, so I got just enough smokiness and sweetness, and it's delicious. And the vegan cornbread muffin. And I can't wait. And I drizzled it with just a little more coconut oil and the maple syrup so you can get that sweetness taste. And we're going to try it with my mom, who I see her in the background, who is not a vegan. And even though she will try vegan food, but we definitely want to get her opinion. So let's enjoy.